How to remove the member area on Wix. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to remove the members area on Wix. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. First, you can see that this is my Wix dashboard. You have to land on your Wix dashboard to follow the process. Then what you have to do is come to this top right corner and click edit site over here on the top right corner. Once you click this edit site option or button, you're going to land over here on the Wix website editor. Then what you have to do is come to this left side menu, and here you have to choose this pages and menu option. And once you click this option, you're going to land over here, and here you can see there's this members area. You have to see this option over here, this toggle, this spin wheel. You have to choose this which says action. You have to click this option over here, and once you click this option, you can see there's this delete members area. This is how you can remove this. By clicking this delete members area, you have to click yes, delete, and that's how you remove Wix member areas from your Wix website. I hope you liked the process and found it easy, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.